Welcome to Jaguar Livermore, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with keyless entry, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, heated door mirrors, rear view camera, blind spot monitor warning, wood dashboard insert, weather band radio, heated front seats, 13-speaker audio system, alloy wheels, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Jaguar Livermore, we strive to deliver world-class customer service, offer a luxury experience to our clients, and provide support and leadership to the communities in which we serve. We are a proud member of the Livermore Auto Mall, where we are under new ownership and conveniently located off of 580 to serve the Bay Area and all of Northern California. Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so we go the extra mile to make sure that every guest has the best possible shopping experience. So give us a call or stop by Jaguar Livermore today.